We're back to the switch in the dash. If you remember in part 1, I bought a new switch. When I pulled it apart, I found that one of the prongs here had looked like melted.
I'm melting! Melting! Oh, what a world! What a world!
So anyhow, I had to order another wiring harness on eBay. I got it here. It was about 20 bucks. Not too bad.
China. That's why. Comes from China. I want to be accurate.
So I'm gonna splice it in. They even give you the little connections here. Hopefully there's 4. Yeah. So I'm gonna splice it up. Now I'll show you what it looks like when I get through. But just to mention, when I ordered the switching unit, it came with this wiring. Well, I figured out what it was. It was a replacement for this here. And it looks like it just unsnaps back here, so I'll probably have to remove the glove compartment to get to it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and change that out too while I'm here. Must tell me that goes out pretty often too. So since I've got it, I'll go ahead and do that. Alright, I removed the glove box, which is basically once you take this off, it just slides off. It just drops right off. It just kind of sits on these hinges, so it's simple. As far as this goes, this is just as simple. It was just plugged in right here. And we'll pull this one out. And hopefully with one hand, put the new one in. It snapped right into place. Just took 2 hands to do it. And I'll just feed this back through the dash. Hopefully that won't be hard. Ta-da! Okay, let me get busy on this next wiring. I'll get back to you when I'm a little closer done. Alright guys, so everything's spliced up. I think I'm going to plug it in before I'm going to wrap some electrical tape too, just to be careful. Let me plug it in and let's just see if anything turns on or if it catches fire.
Cool. Fire! 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 Fire!
Alright guys, the switch is back in. If you remember, and I was missing a screw last time, so I found one that fits. Doesn't look like the others, but it fits. Here's the best part. It's low, medium, high, and max. I feel like I've done a little something. Get the vents on so I can feel. I don't think it's cold air. I think I'm gonna run up to AutoZone and get a can of I call it Freon, and put it in there and let's see if that fixes it or if I need to go another step further. But at least I got this working. Alright, it's yet another day. Got me a can of AC Pro. We're going to charge up the system here, the AC system. If any of you are wondering, right across from the battery on a 2001, this is where you charge it up at. And let's see what happens. See if there's any major leaks or if it's going to hold a charge. Not sure. First you got to crank the car and then turn your AC on high. So let me get in there and get that done. Alright, before you connect it, you want to shake it up real good. understand it, you fill this one till it gets to the green, then you know it's full. Unless you see major leaks coming from somewhere. Let's see what happens. I know the can's getting cold. I can definitely hear the compressor clicking on and off. I think that's Phil. Let's see what happens. Wow. It's pretty much snowing in here right now.
What do you think the temperature is? 1.
Awesome. See what happens in the next few days, but as of right now, I would say I have air conditioning. I didn't see any leaks. All right. Well, that's good to go. All right, guys, I think we're going to wrap this up. As of right now, it appears the AC is working. So I think we have a small victory. I'll know better in the next few days if it leaks down. I don't see any leaks. Normally you can spot them. But it looks like everything's holding pressure real well. And the air is ice cold on the inside. Almost forgot. I've got to get rid of the steering wheel cover. I bought an official Jeep one right off Amazon. Definitely wanted to go with the black. In case you're wondering, why don't I just buy a new steering wheel? Well, that was the original plan, but this one has the airbag and it has cruise. Didn't realize this cruise even worked, so I'm happy with the feel of this one. I just, again, going to be going all black in the Jeep, so let's see how easy this one pulls off. Oh yeah, this is going to be a two-hander.
That's what she said?
Well, the old steering wheel is not that bad. As you can tell, it's all messed up. I like the feel of a thicker steering wheel. Got giant monkey hands. Alright, let me fight this other one on and I'll show you the end result. Easily slips onto most steering wheels. That was a lie. Check that out. Hardest thing I've done all day. But it looks good.